Hi everyone. Now in this session I'm going to present you one of the most important concept which you need to understand about the N8 end. So workflow is basically the collection of the nodes that work together to automate a process. In a simple words, workflows start when a trigger node is activated. So you can see this is the complete example for workflow, and the first node which you have seen the sign here, the orange sign, this is called your trigger node, and this is the first node when you can see that if someone just submitting the form, so this node will be triggered now, and that is the reason this is called first node, the trigger node. And when the trigger node is activated, that will send the output towards the rest of the other nodes, and this is the one node, this is the second node, and this is the third node. Now the upcoming nodes, now these are the normal nodes, and each node, if you see thoroughly, that presented the different applications. This is presented, this node is basically taking the application for appending a row in a sheet, like when someone submitting the lead form, like specify the username, email ID and contact information, and when someone click the save button, that information, user profile, should be append or added in my expected sheet, which I will explain you practically. And that sheet basically, once the row added in my expected sheet, then that row should also be send a message towards that customers, the email ID which we are storing in our Google Sheet, and respond to the customers that thank you so much for connecting with us. We will get back to you promptly. So this is our business workflow use case. And once you send that message to the customer, then immediately you want to connect with your Slack channel where your marketing team is sitting. Might be you have the 5 people or 10 people who are dealing with the customers queries and all these things, and marketing channel for integrating the Slack channel. Main primary objective will be that marketing team, they will further follow up to the customer who you just sent them the email. So this is what exactly we want to automate in our practical N8 and tool live together, how we can create AI agent just like this use case now. So this is the perfect workflow for the marketing team, where you just need to imagine if you need to write a code, you will take, definitely it will take the, I think, the 4 to 5 days for simulating this workflow now. But if you are a non-technical person and if you just learn the N8, and you within a 15 to 30 minutes can create this workflow which I will be explaining you in upcoming session.